Hello there guys. I am George and welcome to my channel 1 Minute Tutorials. In my first video, I will teach you how to put a photo or an image inside a text within a minute. So let's get to it. First of all, type your text. For example, mine will be mountain, because that is what our photo is about. Now that we have our text and our photo, come to the Layers panel, which should be on the right side of your Photoshop. Grab your image and drag it above your text so it can cover it. Now all you have to do is click right button on your image layer. You will see a menu with options. We are looking for Create a Clipping Mask. Click it and boom! You have a mad and unique text with a photo in it. You can modify the text or the photo however you want. And that was it from me for today. If I helped you, leave a like. And comment what do you want to learn next in the upcoming video. Stay tuned and see you next time.